What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today we're going to be unboxing this HD car dash cam from 1AAuto.com. Alright, so there's some tape here. I'll just take a knife, cut it open, pull this camera out, flip it over, and this is the actual camera. Kind of looks like a radar detector. Flip the screen down. Oh, that's kind of nice. It's got all the buttons right there. The camera on the front. Here's the mount for the windshield. Pull this out. Little suction cup on there. And then that screws into the camera itself on the top. Right here. Screw that in. That's kind of nice. Right, so we have our charging cable. We have another cable to plug into the PC. And we have a battery. To install the battery, we're just gonna grab this right here, slide this back, take the battery, slide it in just like that. Take this cover, slide it back on. There's a memory card right here. Just grab this, open this up. The memory card's in there. Close that up, spin this around. And this is the plug to plug it into the PC or to charge it, right there. Now let's go to the car and check out some of the features. All right, we'll take this charging cable and just plug this in, just like that. All right, now we're gonna just mount this to the windshield, push the suction cup on, and then just push the lock down, just like that. You can open up the screen, just slide it down, just like that. All right, so there's a power button up here, there's a select button right there, menu, down, up, and mode. So we're gonna select the menu. We're gonna we wanna change the date and the time. Select menu again, and then scroll down. And date and time input, so we'll select that. And then we can change this. Go back in time, and now we'll go back into the future. Next, we're in January, so next. And we're gonna go to January 23rd. Next, change the time. We're gonna go to 2 o'clock. And select that. Now the date and the time should be all set. So we're at 2019, January 23rd at 2 o'clock. So if we started the car at this point, this would get power. I'm gonna turn this off. That should turn this off. Oh, nice little picture. All right, so when we start the car now, turn the car on. A nice little song and a nice little picture of a cool car, and it should start recording right now. And Sue's gonna walk right in front of the camera. There she goes to the other room, and it works pretty good.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.